Here is another situation that involves the attorney or prosecuting attorney out of Pine Bluff, Stephen Kyle Hunter, where a person or a particular individual filed some kind of petition or paperwork, had no evidence, hadn't seen the person since 2016, had no just legal standing, none whatsoever. And they continue to keep sending people, I guess from the looks of this in the past, to a property, and then assumed different things and lied over 3 times, I believe, in this same one page, and submitted this to the court. Now, it says, no answer. Was advised that she monitors Court Connect. Okay, how does she monitor it? And will not leave residence as long as paper shows active. That sounds very immature, stupid, and very serious in relation to an allegation that you have no proof of. Then it says subject owns property, possibly has pistol and minor child inside. So I'm assuming that because a woman is black, she owns a property, owns a pistol, and has a minor child, is something illegal about that. Why would you put some racial, seem like profiling shit or stereotypical type information that you have no ideation of, even a reason why you're putting it on there? And I'm so sick of entertaining you disgusting ass people. This is a full disgrace, because all these people is trying to do is be entertained by y'all fucking stupidity. And you act like you don't like my cussing, but here you are performing acts of disgust and disgrace in the goddamn streets. It says subject refuses to come out. How would they know a subject or person refuses to come out if it says no answer? So that means either somebody wasn't there, they was asleep, or didn't know somebody came or something. So subject refused to come out, is not left the house, don't even have, this is crazy as hell, is not left house. Gould PD also has been unable to locate. So if you can't locate them, then how in the hell are they refusing to come out? We got 2 damn lies in one sentence. No, 3. Is not left a house. I'm just showing y'all how dumb this shit is. Attempt again. It's like straight damn harassment. Attempt again. Refuse to come out. Is not left house. Gould PD also has been unable to locate. So you can't locate them, but they won't leave the house. Then they own the property, but because they have a pistol that you think you don't even fucking know, and a minor child, is something dangerous about that. Because you bitches assuming things. Now just imagine you got people like this on the goddamn force that's doing this ignorant, retarded ass crap. So this is what I wrote up. So July 2025, opened the case without evidence of any kind other than a statement in relation to defendant Rainey. August 2025, 0948, on an attempts of service submission, which was false. There's a lot of false shit in there. It says, included perjury and racial profiling with discrimination about a black woman who owns a weapon with a minor child. The statement included allegations unseen and unheard of in relation to defendant Rainey. Advised she monitors Court Connect and will not leave residence as long as paper shows active. Subject owns property, possibly has pistol and minor child inside. What does this even mean or have to do with a damn thing? Who in the world don't own something or have children inside of a damn house? How stupid. Where is it against the law to be a black woman with a minor child with registered pistol, if any? Subject refused to come out, is not left house. Gould PD has been unable to locate. So is the subject in the house with a pistol with a minor child? Is the subject refusing to come outside? Because the internet says some papers are active. Is the subject refusing to come out and has not left the house? Or is the subject unable to be located and the exact location of the subject is unknown? It's confusing when more than one allegation is stated about one person, where the person who has stated this has no stance or proof, and this is also revealing of how those in authority abuse their power and position to try to damage the person sought after when they have no probable cause or burden of proof, abuse the court, and not all their submissions contain the truth and are filled with defamatory, distorted, reckless statements that does not depict but tear down, which is seriously disturbing and can be dangerous. So how do you know if someone is present or not if you didn't receive an answer? So how do you know someone is watching the internet unless you was told this by the person on the day you started to try to serve? But how would they know you or whoever is coming to perform the service or process? So how do you know if the person has a phone or electronic device that has the capability of even viewing what you stated in relation to Court Connect? Would you find it discriminatory if someone stated that you only like to pull over black men with no kids? Would you find it discriminatory if someone stated you didn't come to your door of a property you own, but you possibly have a pistol and a minor child inside as if you are a danger of some kind, but you don't have any records on file nowhere in the state of Arkansas? Is it a disgrace and a dishonor? It is. Very seriously, it is. To the justice system and to citizens who have to depend on the mental and physical integrity of those who took oaths to perform with morals and ethics, take shortcuts that undermine and gradually exploit the intentional acts of those who abuse the process and the authority bestowed upon them, not for the greater good, but for repeat and habitual disgrace to the common law and respect we have for those in power. So this is tremendously something that and I pray you all, or whoever you are, stop trying to come to people for some type of entertainment. Y'all about as sorry as this shit is to even be entertained by. These sick ass white folks and these dumb ass individuals around here that have color or melanin in their skin, that are broke and needing all the attention that they could possibly get off of a situation because all of them was in some form of bankruptcy or poor disgrace that they want to try to come out of off of the back of somebody else now because they don't know how to do shit for themselves. Let me just explain something to you, because y'all just keep watching bullshit and I see ain't hardly anything going on in wherever. So you steadily tuning in to fuckery. Then you want somebody to get online and respect or have some kind of dignity or say things that are not belligerent so that you can enjoy what the fuck it is you trying to be entertained by. But you know the shit that you being entertained by is being illegally done. So in other words, fuck you. So then on top of that, you're putting people who are human beings just like your ass in situations they shouldn't even be in. That is fake as hell. That's not even their reality. It's shit you have set up and planned. So when you got disgraceful ass shit like this and people who are abusing their power and their authority to get their ass out here and write shit on pieces of paper. First of all, they can't spell, can't write. The sentences don't make no damn sense. Then you got more than one lie on one sheet of goddamn paper. And it's one paragraph. We ain't even made it to the other shit yet. That's worse than a disgrace. And these are the kind of people that we got coming to people's houses and filling out reports and doing different shit that's supposed to be serious. And we got motherfuckers out here playing with it. Well, they done been on the force so long, they don't give a damn how serious the matter is. They just putting shit down. Or trying to help out a friend or a colleague on the goddamn force, or on the attorney squad, or behind the fucking bench. But you want somebody, oh, well, this is, highly disrespectful. And I think that these young men and young women should come out here and not do such things. And you want people to talk like they have so much respect for you, but you bitches get out here and you don't have any respect for them. Or you know that there are illegal acts and your ass have probably participated in them. You want to be entertained by those same people that you have no fucking respect for. You trying to tear down people who got things. For what? For what? Bitch, don't you know you can log online anywhere in the world and see some shit like that already? That people posting on their own? So why in the fuck would you go about doing some repeat offender shit to somebody just so that you could be entertained by it? Or make some money off of it? Like a bitch. Then you putting people in real situations. Some people don't want to be in y'all bitch ass society. Or whatever the hell this is that you want to try to incorporate into somebody else's lives. Some people choose to live by God and not by bullshit that you putting in a fucking computer. I don't know what this whack ass shit is. When y'all get out here just like this stupid ass girl. I don't even care no more. This is a waste of my damn time. The bitch said, and this is just stupid as hell. Where the hell is the paper? My attorney gonna have to excuse the fuck out of me because this is about the dumbest shit I ever seen in my goddamn life. And I don't know how the prosecutor come up with this shit. How in the fuck all these charges, but for you to try to protect the officer who lied like a motherfucker, and then protect the goddamn other one who lied like where's the hell? Where is the shit at? Where is it at? I don't even know what the shit at. You done marked off I don't know how many goddamn names on papers and shit. Here it is. What in there? Where is it at? Okay, I'm at the paragraph. Let me go up. Right here. You done marked off all kind of shit and changed I don't know how many goddamn times. Some fucking shit. Look, this was one time. Terroristic act was one time. This motherfucker put 2 counts. Aggravated assault, 2 counts. Let me show y'all what they said. Wait a minute. Let me go to this shit. This is some of the dumbest shit I ever seen in my goddamn life. This girl. Listen, my granddaughter should be able to play outside with the lady shooting her gun. Why in the hell would you want your granddaughter to play with somebody that's supposed to be shooting? Does that make any goddamn sense? I'm just asking. I'm asking. I'm trying to make some sense of this shit now. I don't get it. So, my granddaughter should be able to play outside with the lady shooting her gun. She do this all the time. So you want your granddaughter, who this woman probably ain't even damn seen on 3/1/26, to come outside and play with a lady that's supposed to been shooting a goddamn gun. Let me go to the next one. This got to be some of the dumbest motherfuckers I've never seen so much dumb shit in my goddamn life. And this I can't do. You know, it's stupidity sometimes makes me itch like a motherfucker. I can't do it. I don't know how did you get aggravated assault and fucking terroristic acts from some bullshit? How the fuck you get it? What other paper? What is that? Cause see, terroristic act it was on here one time. And this motherfucker put it on here twice. It was on here one time. So this is the type of shit that you go through when people don't have no evidence or it's shit just being made up. And people it's just different shit. It says, wait a minute, where is it at? Dwight McKenzie. Let's put this shit on. It's public information. It's on the internet. Gave a verbal statement saying he came outside to see what was going on when the lady pointed gun at him, telling him to go back in the house. Now, let's say this shit here. If somebody pointed a gun at this motherfucker, then why is his name scratched out? Shouldn't his name okay. I'm confused. Then the Lakia girl says she's seen a lady across the yard. Who? Shooting and waving her gun. And then she said she wanted her granddaughter to play with the woman outside that was shooting. Allegedly. What the hell? What is this? I can't believe that anybody would even consider this is bullshit to me. It really is. It's bullshit to me. Because I'm having to sit back as y'all continue to play and try to afflict because you want something else to be aroused by, something else to see. What the I'm out.